Theoretical Perspective of the Guardian Material. Copyright Iesha Ashayana Arias. Arias Production LLC. All rights reserved. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat or cure any condition, illness, ailment or affliction, nor it is a substitute for professional medical or psychiatric evaluation, presented for purpose of theoretical explanation only. December 16, 2016. Failsafe 5 Anniversary Note Continued Part 4. Earth's inevitable appointment with eternal destiny and inevitably awakening humanity. Section 1. Emerging Earth Basic Fundamentals. Transposition Platforms and the Yorada Force. Introducing the 4 transposition platforms, the Rainbow River 5 Essential Essences Transposition Flows, Emancipation Transposition Passages, 3 Domain Passage Sets, Passage Blend Merger, the Illuminaire Field, the TKO and PKO Seal Sets, Atomic Illumination, the Uridan Field, the Yorada Transplanial Light Body, the Yorada Force, Emerging Earth, the Yorada Awakening, Emergence of the Yorada Force. Planetary Templar Grid Activations Announcement. Between late January, early February 2017, the initiation of Cycle Set 5 reclamation begins. The initiation of Cycle Set 5 reclamation, the Yorada Awakening, Emergence of the Yorada Force, the Rainbow White Crystal Light Activation. End of page 1. Page 2. Excerpt from recent and new EAAC, AMCC, MCEO-GA transmission, December 12, 2016. Translated by Iesha Ashayana Arias. The 4 transposition platforms and coordinate point interface and pass-through potential. Definition. Transposition platforms. Transposition platforms are dormant transplanial spacetime continua that come into activation through progressive accretion of the frequencies inherent to their corresponding emancipation and transposition passages. When fully activated, transposition platforms function as a temporary transplanial spacetime continua that span between domains in external creation and eternal internal first creation D-planes. Each transposition platform connects specific locations in external creation to specific locations in eternal internal first creation through specifically calibrated transplanial coordinate points that interface through the emancipation and transposition passages. Activated transposition platforms allow temporary direct interface between external creation domains and their corresponding eternal internal first creation D-planes domain counterparts, as both locational coordinates are brought together within the temporary common co-shared coordinate point of the transposition platform spacetime continuum. FYI, for your information, domain counterparts. The domain counterparts of our external creation domain are the eternal internal first creation D-planes domains that carry the EFIMA crystal synchron wave first eternal authentic identity encryption, from which the external domain originally outstepped through the Trentine window from the external internal first creation D-planes to emerge into external creation expression. For the period of time in which the transposition platforms are active and open, the external creation domain and its eternal internal first creation D-plane domain counterpart coexist within the same spacetime continuum. The common Kochared coordinate point of the transposition platform transplanar spacetime continuum. The four transposition platforms. There are four transposition platforms that span horizontally between domains in external creation and eternal internal first creation D-planes, the Yati planes. The four transposition platforms are: number 1, the core caverns, transposition platform 1, connects to Pan-Clara spectra D-planes, A of Li2, median Earth, the Silver Victory seed, and the Panaki passage 1. Number 2, the reservoirs, transposition platform 2, connect to Panacoleta spectra D-plane, A of Le2, Arion Earth, the Golden Silver Victory seed, and the Crystal Bridge passage 2. Number 3, the rings, transposition platform 3, connects to Panacolera spectra D-planes, A of Lila, Aria Earth, the Platinum Victory seed, and the Pinnacle passage 3. Number 4, the rays, transposition platform 4, connects to ELF LUV field spectra D-planes, A of Troa, Aria Sun 8, the Ephemera Freedom seed, and the Ephia passage 4. Each of the four transposition platforms have specific geographical and locational coordinates, both within external creation and Earth's non-vertical structure, equals vertical maps from Earth's core up through Earth's magnetosphere, reference MCO Freedom Teaching Series 1999 to May 2012, and within the eternal internal first creation D-planes Earth's non-vertical structure, equals D-planes Earth vertical maps from core up through corona, sphere and beyond. Note: corona is an aura of plasma surrounding suns and stars. Reference Google. End of page 2. Page 3. For your information, Earth 4 transposition platforms locations. Moving inward from Earth's magnetosphere, 40,000, 45,000 miles / 65,000, 73,000 kilometers. Magnetosheath. Area between bow shock and magnetopause, and downward to Earth's core. Distance are approximate. Rainbow Rays transposition platform 4, 33,000, 45,000 miles / 53,400, 73,000 kilometers above surface. Extends upward from Rainbow Rings transposition platform 3 in outer region of outer Van Allen electron belt into the magnetosheath. Connects to ELF LUV field spectra D-planes, A of Troa, Aria Sun 8, Ephemera Freedom seed, and the Ephia passage 4. Initiated activation January 1st, 2016 at 3 hours 23 minutes AM Eastern Time. Rainbow Rings Transposition Platform 3 33,000 miles / 53,400 kilometers above surface. Located in the outer region of the Outer Van Allen electron belt. Connects to Panna-Colera spectra planes. Eye of Lila, Aria Earth, the Platinum Victoricid, and the Pinnacle Passage 3. Initiated activation January 1st, 2016 at 1 hour 44 minutes AM Eastern Time. Rainbow Reservoirs Transposition Platform 2 62 plus miles / 100 kilometers below surface. Interface between lower crust and upper mantle, beginning at bottom of lower lithosphere, 62.1 miles / 100 kilometers, and radiates upward through troposphere into upper regions of ozone layer in Earth's stratosphere, 12 to 90 miles / 20 to 30 kilometers above surface. Connects to Panna-Colera spectra planes. Eye of Leitu, Array on Earth, the Golden Silver Victoricid, and the Crystal Bridge Passage 2. The Rainbow Rain plasma flows activated in Earth Rainbow Reservoir Transposition Platform 2 in September-August 2015. The Rainbow River 5 Essential Essence pre-plasma transposition flows activated on January 1st, 2016 at 12:12 AM Eastern Time, and Rainbow Reservoirs Transposition Platform 2 initiated activation January 2nd, 2016 Eastern Time. Core Crystal Caverns Transposition Platform 1 3,968.1 miles / 6,370 plus kilometers below surface, located at Earth's core within Earth's core crystal, between center point of Earth's solid crystal core and Troa plasma template core. Connects to Panna-Colera spectra planes, Eye of Leitu, Median Earth, the Silver Victoricid, and the Panna-Key Passage 1. Initiated activation January 3rd, 2016 at 12:12 AM Eastern Time, and opens for projection access in late January, early February 2017. Engaging Earth's first planetary luminar wave infusions and the planetary Urada force awakening of emerging Earth. Coordinate point interface and pass-through potentials. During the period of time of coordinate point interface, when the transposition platforms are active and open, and external creation domains and their eternal internal first creation D-plane domain counterparts coexist within the same spacetime continuum of the transposition platform transplanial spacetime continuum, it becomes possible for the external creation domain to atomically pass through into merger with its corresponding eternal internal first creation D-plane domain counterpart. Its counterpart Ephima crystal silicon wave first eternal authentic identity. Reference March to September 2015 KDDL2 Session 2 Part 2. Such transposition platform transplanial spacetime continuum pass-through potentials occur through progressive activation, engagement, and accretion of the frequency spectra inherent to the M31 emancipation, M31 Andromeda Galaxy, and M33 transposition, M33 Triangulum Galaxy, passages of the Crystal Bridge Passage Network. End of page 3. Page 4. Pass through the vector veil. Emancipation transposition passages. The 5 essential essence and the illuminaire field. Transposition platforms and the vector veil. Transposition platforms are dormant transplanial spacetime continua encoded within plasma time template structure that, when activated, span between domains in external creation and eternal internal first creation, temporarily allowing the external creation domain and its eternal internal first creation D-plane domain counterpart to coexist within the same spacetime continuum through coordinate point interface. In this regard, transposition platforms serve as the vehicle for coordinate point alignment between an external creation and eternal internal first creation domain, which enables the potential for pass-through between the domains. Whereas transposition platforms serve as the vehicle for coordinate point alignment, it is the emancipation and transposition passages that serve as the vehicle for pass-through. When transposition platforms activate, their transplanar spacetime continua open, bringing specific external creation and eternal internal first creation domains into coordinate point alignment. These domains do coexist within the same spacetime continuum. They are literally coexisting in the same space at the same time within the blend field of the transposition platform. However, the atomic structure of the two coordinate domains will still appear invisible to each other on the physical atomic level due to the difference in ARPS between them. ARPS, angular rotation of particle spin, reference the MCU Freedom Teaching Series. This difference in ARPS between the atomic structure of the external creation domains and the eternal internal first creation domain creates an invisible barrier between them, called the veil of vector or the vector veil. The atomic vector veil of transposition platforms is permeable by true plasma body anatomy due to its inherent mutable vector coding. In this regard, active open transposition platforms allows for many great and frequency powerful adventures in true plasma body projection, and these transposition platforms also offer many enhanced opportunities for conscious manifestation and co-creation. But in order for atomic pass-through to occur, the vector veil and ARPS discrepancies between the two coordinate domains must be mitigated. And I will read again this passage. The atomic vector veil of transposition platforms is permeable by true plasma body anatomy due to its inherent mutable vector coding. In this regard, active open transposition platforms allow for many great and frequency powerful adventures in true plasma body projection. And these transposition platforms also offer many enhanced opportunities for conscious manifestation and co-creation. But in order for atomic pass-through to occur, the vector veil and ARPS discrepancies between the two coordinate domains must be mitigated. Three emancipation and transposition domain passage sets, 5 essential essence, pass-through, and the illuminaire field. Mitigation of the vector veil and ARPS discrepancies between the two coordinate domains of the transposition platforms is the function of the emancipation and transposition passages. The emancipation and transposition passages are dormant transplanial vertical passage structures within the plasma time templates of all creation, through which the reality fields of external creation and eternal internal first creation are indelibly linked and intertwined. Emancipation and transposition passages exist in a specific structural composition called the three-domain passage sets. Each of the three-domain passage sets is composed of one vertical emancipation passage and one vertical transposition passage. Each vertical emancipation passage has an intrinsic set of 4 horizontal emancipation corridors, and each vertical transposition passage has an intrinsic set of 3 horizontal transposition chambers. End of page 4.